The Western Pool and Spa Show is held every March at the Long Beach Convention Center at 300 East Ocean Boulevard in Long Beach, California. I think this is the premier pool show for the West Coast. The Long Beach Convention Center is a great location. There's plenty of hotels and parking. And along with the big vendors, Pentair, Jandy, and Hayward, there's hundreds of other smaller vendors at the Long Beach show. So it's a great place to meet manufacturers, meet individual sellers of products, and just to learn more about the pool industry. The Western Pool Show is not open to the public. Easy to register on their website. If you're in the pool industry, you just register for free and you can enter the exhibit hall. This is one thing that some people don't know, is that the exhibit hall is free to anyone in the industry. The seminars, however, they charge for, and you can find out more about that on their website. And the great thing about the Western Pool and Spa Show is that you can walk through the whole exhibit hall in one afternoon. So it is a big event, but it's not overwhelming where you need 2 or 3 days to walk through it. So you can come either on a Thursday or Friday or Saturday, or just do all 3 days if you wish. And each year at the end of the show on Saturday, they give away a truck, which is really cool. And the seminars that are offered at the Western Pool and Spa Show are the highlight of the show. I highly recommend going to the seminars on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For less than $100, you can register and go to as many seminars as you want. You can also get CPO certified at the Western Pool and Spa Show for an additional fee. And you can register for your CPO course directly at the Western Pool and Spa Show website. So I highly encourage you to come to the Western Pool and Spa Show this year. Again, it's held every year in March at the Long Beach Convention Center. And you'll see me walking around the exhibit hall. Come by and say hi to me if you see me out there on the floor. And here's a look at the 2018 winner of the truck giveaway contest.
And the other one of you will win the Western Pool and Spa Dodge Ram 1500 truck new for 2018 could be yours. So when I pick this number, the winner gets the truck. Are we ready?
Let's go.
Eric? Look at that. Look at that thing working. Look at that thing working. It's having a hard time finding a winner. And the winner is number 10. Number 10 wins the truck. You got the truck, brother man. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of Swimming Pool Tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.